a slave to the fire.
Myself to the ground, same story when I burn it down. Conscience screaming warnings, but the flames drown out the sound. Can't escape this pull, moth dancing with the flame. Grips my soul tight, got my mind locked in chains. Standing scorched by my own damn hand. Pointing fingers, but I'm the one to blame. Watch my progress turn to ash, no matter how far I came. Flames move like puppet strings, and I'm dancing in this game.
Fire consumes
No, I'll lose it all anyway. Might as well speed up the clock. Pull the trigger on my future. Watch the smoke rise from the block. Try restrain but go nuclear. Scorched earth is all I know. This destruction in my bloodline been this way since I could grow. Want redemption, want salvation, but I'm trapped inside this maze. Keep returning to the fire like I'm stuck in burning days.
Guess that's why I crave the rain. Let it wash across my skin, cleanse away this burning pain.
Insane how I walk these ashes, same path every single time. Negative voices in my head, they be spitting poisonous rhymes. Back and forth between the wreckage and the hope of something new, but the cycle keeps repeating, don't know what